You guys have to watch the news and stop listening to people. If the app goes blank tomorrow, listen carefully. If the app goes blank tomorrow, what happened is that when Donald Trump signs in on Monday, he's gonna ask for the extension for 90 days. Listen carefully. He's gonna ask for the extension for 90 days. Once he gets, the reason for the extension is either one, they sell the app to the US, or two, it's basically the 90 days is to see what they can do to protect TikTok in the USA. So another option they were saying is thank you. Another option they were saying is that maybe what happened is that if the US allow, if the Chinese allow US to check out the security thing once a month, whatever. But guys, the 90 days is to actually see if they will sell it or come to some kind of decision whether or not. You understand what I'm saying? So stop listening. Knowing Trump, he might go make it lock down. Shut your mouth, it nah go lock down. Trump. Knowing Trump, him go make it. You see you? Let me see if you are following me. I go tell you something. Listen to me. Knowing Trump, you're gonna make it. Don't stop sending requests. Listen. First of all, Trump wanted it locked down before, yes. But at the same time, you have to understand, TikTok is actually what made Trump won the election. If you guys listen, Donald Trump even said his grandchild loves TikTok. So basically, how much are you not change your mind from tech man and go take? Come on, how much are you tell your girlfriend or your boyfriend it's over and want to go back to the same man or the same woman? So even if Donald Trump change his mind, it's okay. Enough for you guys go back to your man. Enough for you guys tell your man say me not want you. Enough for you guys tell your girlfriend me not want you and want to go back to them, right? So why the man can't change his mind? Him can change his mind same way. Uno alone can change uno mind. Come on now, let's be real. He's not. Keep in mind, Donald Trump is not perfect. Nobody not perfect. You understand? So even if man change his mind, the man change his mind. The man realize say TikTok make him win the election. So obviously he's grateful. You know. But I personally, honestly, guys, do not. And I'll say this: I personally believe the TikTok is not going anywhere. I can tell you that. Watch your body. You want it?